Dear students, in this video we are going to discuss about the benefits of computer integrated manufacturing. The first benefit is increased machine utilization. As we make use of computer integrated manufacturing, the machine utilization increases. When the machine utilization increases, the productivity will increase. How the machine utilization increases? Because of computer integrated manufacturing, the lead time will be saved, such as setup time for fixing the tool or for fixing the job will be done automatically. Similarly, automatic tool changing, such activities will increase the machine utilization and increase the productivity. The second benefit is reduced direct and indirect labor. As we make use of automation in the computer integrated manufacturing, the number of labors are reduced. Third benefit is reduced manufacturing lead time. As I told earlier, manufacturing lead time is nothing but non-productive time, such as fixing of workpiece, fixing of removing of completed workpiece. Similarly, fixing of tool into the tool post. Okay. So this is called as lead time. So the manufacturing lead time will be reduced by making use of computer integrated manufacturing. Next benefit is lower in-process inventory. The inventory will be reduced. What is inventory? Inventory is nothing but stock which is present in the form of raw material or a semi-finished product or finished product. The inventory should be minimum. It should not be less or it should not be more in the industry. Next benefit is scheduling flexibility. We can fix different schedules by making use of computer integrated manufacturing. We can change the schedules as per the requirement. So that is one of the benefit of computer integrated manufacturing. Next benefit is product quality improvement. By making use of computer integrated manufacturing, the product quality will definitely going to improve because of less mistakes and less errors, as we are making use of automation which works according to programs or set of instructions. The next benefit is shorter time in launching new product in the market. Nowadays there is a challenge for every company to launch its new product within shortest possible time, and that is possible by making use of computer integrated manufacturing. Next benefit is flow time minimized. The material will be transferred from one machine to another machine by using automated conveyors. That will reduce the flow time and which will improve the productivity. Next advantage or benefit is inventory level reduced. As we discussed earlier, the inventory will be reduced. Competitiveness increases as all the factories are nowadays making use of computer integrated manufacturing. Therefore, the competitiveness will increase as the quality will improve. Improved scheduling performance. As I told that we can schedule the machines or schedule the production as per our requirement with very less efforts. Next benefit is improved customer service. As we are making use of vast use of computer application in the computer integrated manufacturing, the customer service will definitely going to improve. Increase in flexibility and responsiveness. Because of making use of flexible manufacturing system FMS, the flexibility will improve. We'll be able to adopt the changes within shortest possible time. The total cost is minimized by making use of computer integrated manufacturing, because the productivity increases when we make use of computer integrated manufacturing. Therefore, the total cost will be minimized. Long-term profitability increases. And the next is manufacturing productivity increases. As we discussed earlier, the productivity will going to increase because of more machine utilization and less manufacturing lead time or non-productive time. The non-productive time and lead time will be reduced in the computer integrated manufacturing, and because of that the productivity will improve. So these are the benefits of computer integrated manufacturing.